steel in my spine, diesel in my soul. I see the storm, I drive through it. Prepared, not scared. Let's do it. Built from scraps, bolts in my brain and a wrench in my lap. I don't run from flames, I walk through fire, clutching the left, fear in the tires, oil on my hands, scars on my name, but I keep it moving, storm or shame. I done bled on the wheel, cried in the dark, but I came out swinging with a flame in my heart.